troubled First Republic Bank has been taken over by JPMorgan Chase Bank in a bid to prevent further banking turmoil. It's the second biggest bank failure in history and comes 2 months after the collapses of Silicon Valley Bank and Signature Bank. The Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation said that First Republic's 84 branches will reopen as branches of JPMorgan Chase Bank and assured depositors they can access all of their deposits in full. Since the crisis, First Republic has put in place measures to turn the bank around. These included selling off unprofitable assets and potentially laying off up to a quarter of its 7,200 workforce. At the end of last year, it ranked 14th in size among commercial banks and has previously been a popular bank for wealthy people to use due to its low-interest loans. However, investors remain skeptical as the bank's executives have not been available to answer investor and analyst questions. Analysts were particularly worried about the large amount of uninsured deposits and the exposure of low-interest rate loans. The scale of the collapse has been unprecedented, and it's a stark reminder of how vulnerable the U.S. banking system is to economic turmoil. $229 billion in total assets and $104 billion in total deposits are now in the control of JPMorgan Chase. Similarly, the FDIC estimated a record-breaking $13 billion hit to its insurance fund. The global financial crisis of 2008 saw the stuttering of many large and powerful banks. It rocked the markets, and while they eventually recovered, it's given investors and ordinary people alike a sense of dread that history may be about to repeat itself. Our government and some of the largest banks made a joint effort to assist First Republic with $30 billion in uninsured deposits, and now the bank is set to be given a second chance. JPMorgan Chairman and CEO Jamie Dimon has assured customers of their safety, encouraging people to continue trusting the banking system. The FDIC has promised us that the same will be done should another crisis or emergency arise, so that customers and investors can be assured their money is secure. There is a hope that the banks will implement measures to ensure a crisis such as this cannot happen again. We will have to wait and see.